Hey everyone, we are Team Notion, and today we're excited to present Aniverse, a platform where anime meets Web3. This project is made for the Build on Stellar National Hackathon. Our mission is simple: play, earn, and trade. We're building a space where anime fans can truly own and showcase their passion through NFTs, powered by the Stellar blockchain. Team Notion consists of two developers, Noman and Abid. I am a full-stack Web3 developer focusing on back-end and smart contracts. Alongside me is Abid, a front-end developer. Together, we built Aniverse end-to-end, from a front-end to back-end, integrations, smart contracts, and deployment. Now, let's talk about the problem we're solving. Today's NFTs, like Bored Ape, often feel overpriced, unrelatable, and lack emotional connection. On the other hand, anime is loved by millions worldwide. We watch it, talk about it, and live in its culture daily. But fans have no authentic way to own or showcase their favorite characters online. There's no digital proof of fandom, and the anime industry hasn't yet bridged into Web3. This leaves a massive, passionate audience untapped. And that's where Aniverse comes in. It is a next-gen NFT platform designed for anime lovers. We allow fans to own, collect, and showcase anime-inspired NFTs. We bridge anime fandom with Web3 through true digital ownership. Our marketplace is community-driven, with curated collections that fans can trade, and becomes a space where passion finally turns into proof of fandom. We built Aniverse on a powerful tech stack that blends performance with decentralization. The front end is crafted with EJS templates and Tailwind CSS for responsive design, while the backend runs on Node.js with Express. On the blockchain side, we leverage Stellar with the Soroban SDK, writing smart contracts in Rust and deploying them directly on Stellar. For storage, we use IPFS via Pinata, complemented by Freighter and Stellar CLI. All metadata, user data, and collections are securely managed through MongoDB, ensuring scalability and security. The global anime market is already worth over $34 billion in 2024 and is projected to nearly double by 2030, backed by more than 800 million fans worldwide. Meanwhile, the NFT market has exploded from around $27 billion in 2023. It's expected to reach $700 billion plus by 2034. And in between, gaming NFTs alone make up a $4.8 billion market today, projected to grow to over $44 billion in the next decade. This overlap between anime culture and NFT adoption creates a huge space for Aniverse. Now, it's time for the project demonstration. I first started the backend Node.js server. This is the homepage of our platform, where users can explore and interact with anime NFTs in a decentralized way. Now I will connect my wallet. I'll click on the Connect Wallet button, and here you can see I'm using the Freighter wallet, which is Stellar's browser extension. I'll log in with it. And right now we're connected to the Stellar testnet. You can also see I have 10,000 XLM testnet tokens ready for transactions. Now, let's move over to the game zone. Players can bring in their anime NFTs and use them to battle either the CPU or other players. The gameplay is designed to be strategic, very much like the Jujutsu Kaisen-style card battle system, where you have to carefully choose when to attack, block, or unleash special abilities to outplay your opponent. Winning battles allows players to gain XP, unlock unique powers, and level up their NFTs, making them stronger and more valuable over time. The marketplace. This is a hub where players can explore and purchase anime NFTs listed by others. Each NFT belongs to a specific anime collection, and every NFT carries a rarity tier, from common to rare, epic, and even legendary. When a player clicks on the buy button, it directly triggers our smart contract. The NFT is then minted into the player's wallet, and the corresponding XML funds are securely transferred, all happening seamlessly on the Stellar blockchain testnet. We also have the betting area. This feature lets players put their NFTs online in a duel. Two players can agree to battle, each staking one of their NFTs. The winner takes it all. And also the redeem page where players can redeem airdrops and special NFTs. For the blockchain side, I've written our minting and metadata smart contract using the Soroban SDK and Rust. Once the contract is coded, it's compiled and built with the VS Code developer tools, which generates a hello_world WASM file. This .wasm file is then deployed onto the Stellar testnet, making the smart contract live and ready to handle functions like NFT minting, ownership tracking, and metadata management directly on-chain. Here are the Rust and Soroban versions that I used. To test the contract, I first created a brand new wallet using the Soroban CLI. After generating the wallet, I populated it with XML tokens through the Stellar friendbot on the testnet. Here you can see the hash and transaction true. And then I deployed the contract. You can see the contract address here. Now let's try out the contract in action. Using the CLI integrated wallet, I'll mint a brand new NFT on the Stellar testnet. For this demo, I'm creating an NFT named Itachi Uchiha. Once I run the mint command, the smart contract executes, and the NFT is minted directly into my wallet. The metadata is stored and linked on-chain using Pinata, giving me full proof of ownership on the Stellar network. As you can see here, this is the metadata of the NFT, displayed in JSON format. It's securely stored on-chain via Pinata, and the NFT image itself is also hosted through Pinata's decentralized storage. This is just the beginning. There's a lot of scope for this project, and with the power of the Stellar blockchain, I plan to keep building, expanding, and improving on Aniverse. And if I win, it will only give me more momentum to take this project to the next level. Thank you for watching. Your reviews and recommendations are truly appreciated.